Hi there, good evening and welcome to another Budget Model Railways video. So we have a little bit of news this week, a few issues that I thought we would just go over. Big thank you to those of you that came to the Bluebell Railway and saw us, that was great, thank you very much. And it's exhibition news that we've got. So obviously we're off to Pevensey in a couple of weeks, but we were talking today to the Bluebell Railway about next year's show. Myself and Douglas a while ago had an idea of trying to do a budget model railway exhibition to give people like us who make to our sort of standards. So we're looking for people that make layouts to a nice basic standard like us. Things like ballast mat for the tracks and grass mat and cardboard hills and buildings, more made for fun rather than the sort of perfect state-of-the-art ones, you know, the kind of thing we do. So we thought it'd be really nice to be able to have a little exhibition of those sort of layouts, and Bluebell have given us the opportunity. So if you've never been to one of the big exhibitions before, they're really nice, but they tend to be really perfect layouts. Lots of static grass, immaculate ballast, DCC and so on. So what we're looking for is people who've got layouts or who would like to make a layout, who might not be able to expect to be able to exhibit normally. Ideally, we're looking for people like ourselves, families and children, but it doesn't matter if not, as long as you're a first-time exhibitor and you're new to some degree to doing this sort of model railway. But most importantly, we're looking for people that make model railways to our sort of standards. Now, we think we can take about 6 or 7 next year, it'll be June next year. At the moment, we haven't really got any criteria beyond the fact that it needs to be DC. It needs to be, you know, a nice shunting layout or the kind of layouts we build, 6x3, that kind of thing. We're not looking for big, massive ones. We're looking for fun layouts that you've built, and we're looking for people that wouldn't perhaps normally get a chance to exhibit. Now, there's a few caveats that a bit further on we'll have to put some conditions down to keep it interesting. There's no expenses, I'm afraid. That's the way the Bluebell works. So you've got to be able to get yourself there and back at your expense. And equally, your layout has to be insured by you. Now, it's not a big problem with us because we don't bring £1,000 layouts and £10,000 worth of locos and rolling stock like some people. So if you're making to our standards, that shouldn't be a problem, but you'll need to sort that out yourself. So if there's anybody out there that thinks they might like to come along June next year and exhibit, then let us know. Drop us an email. Douglas will put the email on the screen and at the end of the video. And let's get talking and see what we can do. Interestingly, we were approached recently by somebody in the US, in Omaha? Nebraska, who very kindly invited us to a large model railway show out there, model railroad, and were kind enough to donate about 2/3 of the airfare, and it would have been superb. We'd love to have gone out to the US to say hello to all our subscribers. Sadly, it was the week that we've already booked a big family holiday that we can't, obviously, we've all booked in. Now, we're hoping we might get there in 2020. If in the meantime anybody else is running a big exhibition in America and they're able to be as generous with the expenses, then again, please talk to us. We'd love to come to the US and show off what we do. But the important thing for the moment is start thinking about whether you'd like to exhibit at the Bluebell Railway next year. Get in touch with us and we'll let you have some more details. As I say, I think we can take probably about 6 people, and let's see what we can organise. So as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we look forward to speaking to you again. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.